friends, and welcome back to another Cotton Cuts puzzle mystery quilt. This is Tree of Life Clue 6 in the small size. I'm doing this in Redwood, and this clue took me approximately 30 minutes. You will see a new sewing machine in this video. It's not new to me, it'll be new to you because it's my embroidery machine. Long story short, and I posted a post about this on YouTube, but my Juki seemed to have been yeeted off of a truck after it was sent for service and was either totaled or just not repairable by the service department. So they're giving me a new one. However, I'm using my Viking and I'm not happy about it. But I powered through. We got this done. There were only 2 blocks in the small clue 6. So I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so this is the inventory for the small size. Clue 6, this is Redwood. If you're doing any other colorway in the small size, you can follow along if you'd like. You'll have the same fabric letters. They'll just look a little bit different. So let's go through our inventory. We have in the small triangles 4 fabric B, 4 fabric C, and 4 fabric E. And then in our larger triangles, we have 2 fabric D, 2 fabric F. And then in our smaller squares, we're going to have 2 fabric A, 4 fabric B, and 2 fabric F. This clue does only have 2 of the same block, so this should go fairly quickly. You'll obviously already know how long it took me because I'll tell you at the beginning, or I have told you at the beginning. So, yeah, let's get to it, and I will meet you over at the sewing machine. All right, so you may notice a new machine. She's not new. This is my Viking embroidery machine, and the Juki was in the shop, and I got her back last week, and I unboxed her, or took the plastic off last night, and she was damaged pretty heavily. So the shop did give me a loaner. The Juki has been sent in for free repairs, but we're going to be using the Viking just because it was out, and I put it together after I realized that the Juki was not working. So hopefully the Juki will be back sooner rather than later, but if not, I have the other Juki loaner, so I'll be using the loaner. You'll see new stickers, and then you'll see no stickers if I'm using the loaner because the loaner doesn't have stickers on it. Anyways, let's get started. So this is going to be the small. There's only 8 steps, 2 blocks, relatively straightforward. I am going to speed sew through this. So grab a beverage of your choice. I have water. I would have had coffee this morning, but I had to go and take the Juki back. So our day we just had to shift the day a little bit. So anyways, I will be sewing with this and enjoy the speed sew. we are finished with Clue 6 in the small colorway Redwood. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. I appreciate it. And let me know what you're most excited about with Tree of Life and if you're doing Wild West. I have not received my box yet. I did pre-order one colorway, and I believe I'm doing this small version. So, yeah, let me know what you're most excited about with Tree of Life and whether or not you're doing Wild West. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!